right, good morning, everybody. Whoa, yeah, I don't know what happened there. So looks like, can you guys hear me? So yeah, I was saying that the
TKLF.
Nasdaq Composite posted its worst day since 2022 yesterday, creating 2.77%,
TKLF.
closing below
TKLF.
18,000 for the
TKLF.
first time since July
TKLF.
1st. The broad
TKLF.
S&P 500 also
TKLF.
fell. So
TKLF.
basically, if you guys have long-term
TKLF.
portfolios, for those that are
TKLF.
on the, the large caps, we took a little hit on the portfolio yesterday. So it's had its worst day in 11 months in the NASDAQ. NQ for those future traders. We saw it going below about 500, 600 points almost. Pretty crazy day yesterday. So my long-term portfolio, we took a little hit, but it's the nature of the market, goes up and down. So pretty wild day yesterday. S&P 500 also fell pretty nicely. Let's get into the small caps here real quick on the watch list. I was talking already. Unfortunately, somehow it was muted. So I said ONCL right here just now. We're getting this 21-cent break. It's not on my watch list, but it is getting this nice PT hit here so far. Hit up to 23 cents a share. So you got this riding the 10 EMA at the moment. Micro penny stocks are not really my go-to, but if you are going to look to play, I know a couple of you guys love playing these smaller price share stocks. It is getting a nice pop so far. So hopefully it keeps riding this 10 EMA for you guys, and we get to see that continuation. But PT did hit so far. So far so good here on ONCO. I do want to get into more of the stocks that are on our watch list here, like for example, COMM here. We just had a nice spike, okay, on COMM. This is a USA tech company at a 203 million in float, so very high float on expected slow days like today. We could potentially see these higher float names do a pretty nice grind, nice higher lows, and that's what I'm going to be looking for. So another opportunity coming down to our previous breakout point at 225, which went almost up to $3. Looking for a nice opportunity, dip back down here at 225 line, and then get that reversal out of the downtrend line, test back up towards this currently 254 VWAP or wherever the VWAP is going to be at the time. And we want to get the VWAP roll and get the nice pop back up to pre-market high and maybe even more. But COMM came out with a press release a few minutes ago. It's CommScope to sell its outdoor wireless networks and distributed antenna systems businesses to Amphenol Corporation. So basically, Amphenol Corporation is to acquire mobile networks businesses from this company, COMM. All right, so that's what we got. We'll be watching here at this 225 line and look for that reversal pop. Moving forward here, next stock on our watch list here, we got this NKGN. Okay, NKGN currently is trading at $1.29 a share, and it is on our watch list. So it's top third gainer, 15 million volume traded. If you saw this earlier, had 140 line breakout. We got a nice surge all the way up to $1.75 PT hit. Second round, I'm going to be looking at the same area here at 140. That's where around the VWAP is at. So you want to see that nice VWAP roll here on NKGN and go for a nice roll for a high of the day, right? At the market opening, it's going to be a new high of the day. So this is a USA biotech company, 12 million float, and it presented a new positive SKN01 clinical trial biomarker data at the 2024 Alzheimer's Association International Conference. Our market is going to open up here in about 30 seconds. We have a lot of these small caps right now this morning with a little bit lacking volume since probably we saw a big hit in the markets yesterday. But regardless, we watching like side meals like AREB. It's on our watch list. It did hit PT earlier. I'll be watching for this for a rerun here again. The same line actually at the 88 mark. So we'll see if AREB will try to get more volume and continue to go.
SITA.
And then you got BNOX, which was a nice
NKGN.
PT hit earlier in pre-market.
CGC.
Okay.
SPWR.
But it is
TKLF.
back down quite nicely. Market is open.
Zava. LGSN. AREB. LGVSLN. BCTX.
Okay, so why don't we look at ONCO for the time being?
SDST. LPSN.
Comms holding that 225, so I do want to see that area for another nice pop. For COM 2.25, previous resistance now support, watching for that
TNXP.
reversal bounce. ONCL right now making new high of the day here. Our latest
SDST.
21 cents coming up to that 24 mark here.
JCSY.
It looks like NQ after a run up towards deviation 2 line. We're getting a pullback at the market opening reversal there.
ADTX. PTPI. ZIMV. SDST. DJT. Chui. TRNR. 5. Sava.
Looking good there on CO.
ZAP. ZIMV. ZIMV. OKLO. VIRT. 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 APVO. UPST. Chui. Silo. SPRC. SITA. ATXG. SLRX. ASRT.
Hey, ONCO still nice. This is currently the top user here. 39 cent is the up haul right now on ONCO. 0.39 up haul.
NKGX. HSAI. LPSN. LPSN. Silo. LPSN.
Okay, ONCO beautiful.
NOS.
Let's keep it going. 39 cent up haul here.
RUM.
This is the only stock that I currently see that is
SLRX.
running up nice higher lows, and maybe, keeping a close eye on NKGN as well. That'd probably be my top 2 stocks right now this morning. Because we want to see NKGN getting that VWAP roll and still get that solid 140 break.
LPSN.
Looks like we got to wick all the way down to the VWAP there on
AMIS.
NQ. 40
ACNR.
cent now up haul. They're raising the bars. I like it.
MULN.
Okay.
GRI. LUNR. SDST. TKNO. Again.
Okie dokes. 40 cent up haul on ONCO.
JCSE.
Good here.
SLRX. IGC. NOS.
27.
ACXP. ACXP. Silo. MULN. RUM. EN. ADVM. SITA. ADVM. LUNR. TKNO. OKLO. JCSE. ADVM. GRI. TKNO. TKNO. TKNO, TKNO. AREB,
Okay, looking good here. ONCO. They're
KEC
raising the
end,
bars even more.
ADVN,
41 cents is now the
ADVN.
next up pull. 41 cents.
TKM, RUM, TKNO. TKNO, TKNO. LMND. TKNO.
Looking good. 41 cent up pull. We should be
TKNO,
next new
TKMIX.
high of the day here.
FL.
Right
ARBK.
now I have 30 cents.
CRBU.
That's currently my max. And then we should be able to see a nice grind out for more there.
AGAN. SGRY. SGRY. AGAN. Silo. SEDG. SGRY. KBH. TKNO. TKNO. AMIX.
Beautiful
BLNK.
guys. ONCO.
NOS.
Just absolutely grinding and ripping here.
TKNO. ZIMV.
Locking in some before this 30 area and then 30 cent
NVGN,
support, and then I want to see that
SLRX.
next leg up from there. Then we can do a
NKLA.
support to higher lows, but 30 cents is my max PT for the time being. So lock in some accordingly, please. It's getting a little overbought,
ZIMV,
but
ZIMV.
it's still right in the 10 EMA, so take advantage of it.
W. ZIMV. ATXG.
Well, you know, the little
HUMA.
micro penny
NOS.
that you did not, that I don't even enjoy as much is the
WIMI.
Euro runner today.
KBH.
So 30 cents, and then you got off. They're putting up to 42 cents now up haul. So we're still grinding here, guys. It's a 42 now up haul.
AMSC. LMND.
Right, it's
SGRY. NOS.
great volume for no PR runner here.
FAT.
You know, these little guys, they just love to be able to
Fat.
pump it up. If you look at the daily chart here, let's not forget this puppy has
GOEV.
the ability to run up nicely, right? Just by looking at the history, ran up all the way to
ELNK.
50%
FAT.
plus,
UPST.
you know, on the 29th of May. So USA Biotech 20 million float. Maybe 3 days ago, maybe this is exactly why people
LUNR.
start buying, because they
Silo.
closed the warrant exercise for their 1.1 million gross proceeds. So in the moment, it's getting good hit here.
Assistant. GCT. ATXG. AEMD. Alt. SGRY. SGRY. WWR. FLNC. AREB.
Very nice, yeah, very nice.
ARBK. ARBK. ARBK.
So I want to make sure
ARBK.
that 30% area
ARBK.
hold.
MRNS. AREB. COS.
So far, this has been a very nice. We're getting doji here now.
MBLY.
Watch closely at this next candle. NQ just going straight down
HUMA.
after hitting deviation 2 line.
AMSC.
So 30-cent crack, so we have a good shot to coming back down 28, 10 EMA there.
LUNR. ARBK, AGAN. CSIQ. ADVM, ADVM. FL. VIRT, 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 VIRT. JCSE. VIRT. Silo. ARBK, LPSN. EN. Big.
Okay, you can see that 28-cent has held. And we're going to see it's going to
ATXG.
keep on grinding from there. But you got a doji now, and so the next big candle breakout line is going to be the 30-cent.
MRNS.
If you're interested in buying the dips, you got SYTA testing 500 EMA on the 1-minute chart. So that's a good area to watch for a nice support level. COM is cracking below 225.
PLC,
I think right
WKHS,
now you
Silo.
got still a lot of traders just over on ONCO. So like to see the 30-cent area next, get that nice breakout. So let's take advantage of this current Momo here. And we'll see if we can get that nice
NOS.
30 cents here if it wants to continue.
EN. FTRE. LPSN. LPA. SDST. WKHS.
Yeah, it just looks like it's gonna go straight down to that deviation 2 line next, which isn't surprising since it's,
JCSE.
you know, the bulls got straight into their deviation 2 line.
FTRE.
Okay, 30 cents on ONCO coming on out. Overall market conditions are in the green at the moment, even though NASDAQ and Q is getting that large pullback. Little correction there.
HLVX. BKU. BKU. HXL. PSNL, BKU. PSNL.
Okay, NYCO in play.
LPSN. BKU.
Beautiful, guys. All we gotta do is focus on one thing at a time. You got a 45-cent up pulp
Orc.
next.
IMCR. FTRE, MAG. JCSE, JCSE, JCSE,
You
JCSE,
did come all the way down to deviation 2 line, so hopefully you covered there or bought
JCSE,
for that nice bounce again. Again, I would wait for that reversal.
RXT.
Right now we are at the overbought territory, so buyers are probably expecting a little reversal. ONCO, nice next leg up.
EB, JCSE, QURE, JCSE, GRE, MAG, CGC, BKU, BKU,
Okay, so you can use a 30 cents as our current support.
LPSN, LPSN, CLMT,
A lot of stocks are just
EMLUG.
keeps on pulling back down towards the 500 EMA.
GOEV, ATXG,
Milo, top
CSIQ,
second gainer.
VIRT, QURE,
Got one on
VIRT,
the side as well. Wow.
JCSE,
ONCO still riding a 10 EMA. Silo got a nice pop at the market opening. It's got a strong 320 resistance, so be on the lookout for that area to break out if it's going to be able to do that 10 EMA flag.
NKLA, VIRTR, CGC, JCSE,
Dow Jones slipping a little bit. That's fine.
GRE,
NASDAQ NQ still up 44 points to the morning here. Testing 10 EMA again on ONCO. We have
JCSE,
not tested the
JCSE, JCSE,
25 EMA
JCSE,
yet, so we might be able to
JCSE,
test it this time. Let's see.
GOEV, EB,
Got a little JCSC breaking $1.
CSIQ, HUMA, CLMT, CGC,
Dude,
AQST, EN,
JCSC is about to cross about 1 million in volume trade now.
NKLAOI,
PR,
CLMT,
just a low float.
IMCR,
There's a 110 up haul, and the 110 is actually a pretty strong resistance known for that area.
FL, ORC, ACV,
Yeah, at the moment, we got Silo breaking through. So Silo top second gainers, our latest alert 320 is breaking. So it's working right now.
GCT,
385 up halt right now on Silo,
CSIQ.
385 up halt. looking good right now on Silo.
CAOI,
New high of the
CLMT,
day on Silo, on SSR here as well. Top #1 gainer now. So this should bring some attention now. Getting the scanners. A little FOMO will be nice.
CLMT,
391 I'll pull now on
BFS.
Silo. We gotta get the 345 out of the way next.
LUNR,
Lock in for now and then make sure the 10 EMA holds. We don't want to get into the extension here, so we want to make sure this 10 EMA holds and then break back above the 345,
ENO,
currently the double top level.
HUMA, GCT, Yeti, KVYN, CSIQ, MULN, ASAN, MRNS,
I still like ONCO because it is holding out that 10 EMA area here. We did test down, like I said, around near that 25 again, 10-25 EMA. As long as they're both riding together, they're still bullish in my book.
CLMT, DBI,
Silo's testing the 10 EMA, let it breathe there and get another balance. I mean, all Paul's showing all of the 391s. It's got potential, but we don't want to
CLMT,
see this 10 EMA crack here. We want to
Fine.
see this balance here on Silo. ONCO trying once again here. Right now, our top two is Silo and
ATGR.
ONCO at this time.
LPSN, CSIQ, Assistant, Bind, GOEV, Assistant,
NQ nonstop making these
HUMA,
red candlesticks you can see here. It's just
AAOI,
the
EB,
continued
FL,
drops. So
NVRI, MAG, Real, ATMU, DBI, NKLA, ASAN,
Riley, W.
CSIQ, Bind,
okay, we got about 6 minutes till coming up to the first 30 minutes. You got Silo. Like I said, as long as the 10 EMA still holds, we're good here. Should see right now up at 394.
PSNL, TAOP,
Just ride the 10 EMA, guys. I mean, as long as 10 EMA is holding, this is that, just use that as your current now support. And then I want to see another
VIRT.
new high of the day here. We got to break 345. We got to break 345.
Real,
398 I'll pull. 345 needs to get out of the way here. And then becomes 345 support.
GOEV, CSIQ,
Testing 345.
LPSN, Silo, IVR,
New high of the
IAC.
day. Got to build 345 now support and push through.
CGC, PLCE, BLNK, ATXG, FL, Bion, MBLY, W, IMAX. GCT, WKHS, WKHS,
$3.98 up halt now showing.
ARR, CLVX,
402 up halt now showing.
LPSM, IMAX, Silo, TPH,
Silo hitting the scanners, another new high of the day.
Big,
350s.
W, Real,
358 now.
BKU, DBI,
360.
CLMT, IMAX, IMAX,
407 up
IMAX,
halt.
IACRE,
Almost real here.
CSIQ, Riley,
For those
BTAI,
that are coming in now, looking good. 370s.
BLNK,
Locking in about 1,500 bucks
AMSC.
here before $4, and then the rest is just free money. 413 up halt.
HLVX,
Ooh, that was nice.
GORO,
Here we go.
MRNS, Assistant,
Nice and steady,
AMSC,
guys. Just riding the 10 EMA and locking some in on the way up.
IGR,
Okay, so
BLVX.
reversal looking like happening here for the NQ bull, since we, pretty much deviation to deviation.
TUP, Real,
Okay, looking good here. Another next touch up for
ACBM.
NQ, or excuse me, on Silo.
PSNL, PSNL, BTSG,
419
NAS,
up hold. They're grinding it up. Absolutely beautiful
BKU,
here.
IVR, BKU,
Hopefully you guys are taking
ADVM,
advantage of this. Nice,
TPH, BKU, 5,
easy money play here. Stock's up 66%, and they
BLNKR,
keep increasing the halt up levels. So it tells me that it wants
WKHS,
maybe that 100% mark to hit next.
WKHS, DBI,
So I
CRK,
think we'll come out to $4 now. 426 up halt next.
EXPI, FTRE, TPH, LMND, IMCR. BMTLS, MTLS. AGAN, MAG, BNED. PSNL. BC. HLVX, NEGG, AAOI. TUB. IVR.
Up halt. This one's a fun one.
CLRT. FL, REAX. NKLA. Bion.
$434 up halt.
TPHCO, BTSG, TPH. ZIM. UWMC, IGR,
439 up halt.
FTRE.
I'm up to $4 now.
ASAIT, MTLS, TPH,
riding the rest of the shares nicely. Stock's up now 75%.
LMND,
25%
ARR,
more to go till 100%.
W,
$4. Here we are. $4. Ding ding dong. $4. What a
ATMU,
beautiful
MTLS,
$4 touch here now.
Silo,
And another new high of the day.
PRCH,
Holly screaming. More FOMO. $4 needs to become support. So lock something in into that
VIRT,
and start your
BC.
shares all over. Once $4 becomes support, that's your support. Then you have a stop
FL,
below that.
RSI,
Once it hit the
LPX,
Heikin Ashi candle closing above 4.
PSNL, PSNL, AXSM, VSCO, AHT,
Okay, $4 here now.
BCSNL.
Looking good. 451 up, Paul. Geez.
HUMA,
But
SG,
we're just grinding, guys. Stock's up 85%.
PSNL,
15% more to go to
GFS,
100%.
WAFD,
Please
ADNT,
take advantage of this beautiful trade here, guys.
BC, WTI, CRK,
It does not mean
UPST,
it's a good
WAFD,
idea if you were just
BC.
sitting here all the time and coming up to the 100% mark and
FTRE.
buy near 95% or something.
KIRDLNK, VIRT, AMSC, VFS, RSI, FL, UK, AGAN, VSCO, Silo,
422.
ASNS,
High today.
SRCW, AXSM,
We're gonna keep chasing that uphold here.
IMAX, NARI, BIG,
How
GORO,
they keep increasing. 466 uphold.
MNMT,
466.
Bion, Assistant, AVXL, REAX, UPST, LUNR, GCT, ARR, PZZA, RNGNS, FLNC, KWNS, Riley, LPSN, AQST, WAFD, CSIQ,
Now you want to use $4 on either see as your support.
UWMC, RNG, ORC, AVXL, FTRE,
So let's go
Levi.
all line at $4.
EB, IGR, RXT, AMSC, W, PZZA, Bion, BL, UPBD,
You know, coming up
NKLA,
towards VWAP.
WW, EXRSP, REAX, BLMN, CAVA, TPH, EFC, LMND, HNRA, SAVA, NCNO, UPBD, GOEV, ATMU, BLNCWH, UPST, AQST, AMSC, NNOX, KLG, BANL, PZZA, IMCRMD, CRSP, BLMN, BLMN, IAC, RSI, BIG, STOKG, IGR, WNS, WNS,
Q now
TPG,
testing the 14 EMA.
APDN, AXSM, WNS, WNS, GCT, IMAX, GFS, REKR, CNTA, Lucy, BKBB.
Okay, so one thing, Silo is now testing
LMND,
10 EMA.
KVYO,
So we have an opportunity to see a
EXPI,
potential 10 EMA bull
BANL.
flag here. So let's keep an eye on it. Now, if 10 EMA cracks,
LPX,
look at the how the stock ran this morning. It
SLRN,
literally busted open at the gate
OPI,
and
OPI,
been doing nothing but riding 10
CDLX,
EMA. So I would watch the same
CRSP.
case here, like on ONCO, ride the 1025 EMA, let it kind of pull back down. I mean, the 25 VWAPs
AQST,
around 344 to 360. So, if you round it in between 350 would be a good area to look pull back there, unless that's
IGR,
only if the 10 EMA cracks right now. We're waiting for a 10 EMA bull flag here.
Lucy, Sava, LMND, FLNC, EB,
The Bulls have the upper hand right now at the moment, but as you know, the nice little balance going into the 14 EMA is always going to be a little bit of
CDLX,
resistance here. So
SLRN, FTRE, AQST, IMCR, RSI, GCT, CSIQ, Sava, AMSC, PRCH, MWG, Serve, GFS,
okay, so Silo 410, I'll pull. Excuse me. Right now you got Silo 479, I'll pull. Right,
MXL,
grinding still right in the 10 EMA here.
VFS, PGY, KVYO, BNED, BAND, AQST, IBAC, IBAC,
Okay, so
IMCR, IMCR, CSIQ, Serve, Kava,
okay, so Silo
MWG, GCT, WB, GTN, GTN,
okay, finally cracked the $4.
ADVM. Serve. BANL. HSAI. BLDE.
So with
BLDE.
Silo, we're testing now 25 AMA.
EVTL.
So if Silo starts
IGR.
coming down more, then
HSAI.
trying to look for other stock right now.
SLRN.
NKGN is testing 500 EMA right now. Big rejection here on the NQ at the 200.
CSIQ. Neon. 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 Neon.
Trend line still holding right here in the VWAP. Looks like the 14MA is trying to get that golden cross here, so we'll probably try to want to look for that confirmation for that next leg up again.
NCZ. BTAI. Serve. Lucy. Eno. LPSN. EVTL, HSAI. WB. SLRN. WNS. LPSN. Lucy. BKU. EB. PNFP. Serve. PNFP. LPSN. GTN. WNS, LMND, root. SLRN. WB. PNFP. ATMU. REAX. LPSN.
Waiting on some other opportunities, waiting for some next setups.
LQDA.
Let's go down the list here. So
NBRI.
Silo, I mean, overall,
NBRI.
Silo is
NBRI.
still, like I
BKU.
said, like if you're seeing the 1025 EMA hold, this is still the
NCNO.
top one to
IDAI.
keep your eyes on and look for that downtrend breakout there.
IDAI.
Nice little bounce off that 25 and hit that roll. If not, then you're
WNS.
gonna see this thing going down towards that 350.
VNOM.
So 345 will be the next support line
ELMND.
here.
EB. AKRO. ADVM. WNS, WNS. Frog, VCYT. Serve, PGY. PNFP. Re2. Root. EXFY, BNED. WLDS. Bid, LQDA. REAX. VND. ENO. NCNO. EB. ATMU, ATMU. EFC.
Okay. Got about
IGR.
13 minutes to
Frog.
the first hot hour.
HUMA, VLCN.
Before this candle
WLDS.
break here at 377, but I'm gonna round it up and see if we can get that 380 wedging out there.
BNED. EXFY.
So if we can get this 380 candle break here, I like to see that nice reversal because that's the reversal point level.
PGY. Roma.
I
MWG.
want this nice breakout towards 4+ now. So 25 EMA support. And you want to see this thing grinding, pushing above 4+.
LMND, BTAI, BTAI. VNOM. VLCN. PNFP. PLBY. VID. WAFD.
Okay, $4 coming up. Here we go. Looking great, guys. So if you
VIRT.
guys are in with me, 380 here, 4+ is what we want to
WAFD.
see. And then do the whole process from $4. So let's see if we can get this $4 building as our new home. And then a 459 output is what we see at the moment. So just kind of a
Big.
relaxing, focused day. Because I'm
IGY.
the
BTAI.
stock side is
IGMS.
pretty chill.
EJH.
NQ is pretty chill too. I mean, it goes up, down. So an
PGY.
easy day to just stay cool. $4 here. We've got a breakthrough here. 463. They did raise it up. That's good to see.
PIRT.
I'm thinking if we get that $4 breaking home again as support, I'd like to see $5 today. It's got that potential because it's on SSR. And okay, so NQ cracked, so
IGR.
back down here again.
PNFP. Big. Sava. IDAI. LVO.
So now
VNOM.
$4 rejection. So we're having a little ping pong battle between the 380 to $4.
PGY. CNTA. Sava. KBH. WAFD. WAFD. BANL. WAFD. VNOM. BKU. ATRC. DQ.
Okay, still looking for that break at 4.
PNFP. CNTA. OCUP. LDI. LDI. VLCN. TBBK. GRPN. BANL. KBH. Acre. Sava. IDYA. LUNR. VSAT. SBCF. TBBK. WAFD. PNFP. LDI. LDI.
473 up pull.
VNOM. ALSN. WLCN. Hein. GRPN. FIBK. WAFD. PNFP. Sava. Acre. LPX. BANL. BKU. IDYA, TBBK, TBBK. DX, PB. Lucy. BNED.
Okay, we got 4 more minutes, and then we're gonna take a
WAFD,
quick 5-10
WNS.
minute stretch break, and then get ready for our 11 a.m. river dip time
KBH.
setups. The top two
IGR.
stocks that I see potentially still be on the lookout for. I mean,
Sava,
I would just put my energy on
WAFD.
Silo, guys. I would just put the money on the Silo and just be patient here because it's just, I mean, you have the 25 EMA. As long as 25 EMA is holding, I would let this be your boy.
TTMI.
25 EMA cracks, I would just bail out. Don't even.
PNFP.
I mean, yeah, just wait and see if it's gonna hold the VWAP, and you can always re-enter at the 380 again. But it's just
PB.
building this nice higher lows. ONC was about to get a
IGMS.
death cross. I think I already did. So I think that's gonna be
IGMS.
going to the gutter soon,
TBBK.
further down. So
BKU.
good for the shorts there to keep on waiting for that
BKU.
89 EMA to
BNED.
crack and go all the way down to 24 cents, 200 EMA, and then the 21 500 EMA there. Yeah, NQ, I mean, if you look at the
UWNC.
trend, it already cracked, so it's just making lower highs now. So you're better off on the
BANL.
short side right now.
DX. IDYA. ATRC. DQ. KBH.
Okay, NQ, I mean, Silo grinding, 477 up halt. We're looking great. Stay focused. This is where you want to maximize.
LQDA.
482 up hold. They're raising it up. They really want to raise. They want to start this thing going up here.
LPX.
They want this thing to grind towards that before 11 a.m. I think.
CNTA. TTMI. LUNR. BGS. UDMY. Vid. Hein. HXL.
Okay.
VLCN.
Just a little nice fat drop on NQ. 22 seconds left.
Silo.
Silo, another new high today, guys. This is it. We don't need to be looking at some other roaches out there about to be 10% away from 100%. 495 all pull.
EXFY.
That's a big drop.
IGR. BANL.
Both locked in
ATRC,
that 100% mark. We're almost
CFB.
reaching the 100% mark here. Like I said, they're trying to run it up before 11 a.m. So it's 10:30 now. All right. So 380 support, that cracks. Well, that's done for now then, so make sure that 380 holds $4 even better. We're gonna go ahead and take a 5-10 minute stretch break, and then we'll be right back here
UDMY.
for the next 20 minutes before 11 a.m. for dip
ASNS.
time.
CRK. IDYA. VLCN. MGNX. DQ. Vid. CFB. BNED. Hein. LUNR TRIS Go ATRC IGR ADVM EXFY BGS CFB ADVM TARS VLCN VSAT FGEN BNED BKU Acre PGY Acre VNOM VNOM MWG ATRC VNOM PSNL PSNL PNM Acre JAGX VLCN PGY VFS PSNL PSNL Go PSNL ADVM WLDS West Northwest NVRI VRNA NVRI ADVM VRNA, MWG. Cake. IDAI. NCNO. ILPT. UDMY XPOF. ILPT. ILPT. SQSP. ILPT. UUU. Serve. IVP. OSW. TNGX. IDAI. ADVM. ADVM. PSNL. 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 TNGX. LUNR. IVP.
Alrighty, guys. So we got 20 minutes till 11 a.m. river dip time. I can see Silo still the main trade of the morning. NQ just
IDAI.
going straight to hell here, it looks like. I mean, the trend line
BLCN.
crack is just further cracking. So market's dipping, SPY red, NASDAQ red. We got 20 minutes, like I said, till that 11 a.m. mark.
Serve.
Okay, so at the moment, I am still liking Silo. Actually, ONCO ended up trying to recover. It is testing back at the VWAP line at the 28. If you are interested, I would look at the 28 mark. Silo just got a brand new clues here, Blues Clues. So let's finish rocking and rolling on these. So I'm gonna look for a nice, clean breakout one more time here on Silo with obviously the $4 being the support. I think 415 really needs to go. If you are interested
VLCN.
in, ONCO, I would look for that same area, the 28, and then see if it's going to be able to rock and roll back on up again. So we got a couple areas here to look for here. So I'm going to put a line at 415 here on Silo. All right, so Silo here.
LB. ADVM. ADVM. KZIA.
Okay, guys. So right now at the
SRCL.
moment, Silo not being able to break through that
ADVM.
44.15, and then ONCO is going to need that 28-cent break.
ADVM. Neon. Hein. IVP. ADVM, ADVM.
Okay, guys, we got the 415 coming on up again on Silo.
Sear.
Four 82s up pulp right now showing. NEON needs a VWAP, bro. It's got a lot of resistance at the $3.10 line. So anything below 310 is bearish on NEON.
LB. IVP.
Okay, so we got 415 guys. You got that 415 still being resistance. You can see here that we need to get that area really piercing through. And then you got 482 up pulp showing still. So for those that are looking to stick around here, we just have about 10 minutes here. So let's see. $4 support, 415
NOS.
resistance now.
BNED. LPA.
Looks like NQ is finally getting a reversal candle. Looks like also it's tested a new oversold territory, so it's starting to wedge out and looking for a little pop back up towards deviation 2 line and then the 14 EMA.
TROL. NOS. TROL. SLRX. LPA. SONM, 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 SONM. NOS. HSAI. BNED. PZZA, MMYT. FWRG. LUNR.
Okay, huge reversal candle coming up towards 14 p.m.
CRNC. NOS.
Okay, so guys, on Silo, doesn't seem like, well, I mean, it's still sitting at $4.
NG. ZJYL. PZZA. MMYT. RNG. SEER. LUNR. DNUT. CSR. LGCL. UMBF. FIVN. NAPA. PNFP.
All right, folks, so it looks like Silo's just not going to get that 415 break here, at least at the 11 a.m. So looks like it's cracking, and I think that's about it, guys. I mean, there's just not a whole lot at this point. I think we did what we could to maximize our gains today on these names. ONCO, again, I will leave that 28 cents. I would watch for it still. It is looking like it's kind of, I mean, it's holding that 89 EMA. That's your current hero EMA. And once that golden cross happens here on ONCO, I really think this 28 cents is going to be another nice pop.
ZJYL.
Let's go ahead and draw a line here at 28 cents before I take off.
CYRX.
28-cent line here. You want to see a nice clean breakout. Buyers come back in. Remember, reference back in May 29th, we had a big candle move on up towards that 50-cent plus. So this puppy, once you feed it, it does have that potential to run up nicely. So we'll be keeping our eyes on that one. In the meantime, folks, I think that's it for now. I'm going to be getting off the mic. I appreciate everybody tuning in this morning. Looking forward to a nice fast morning Friday. A couple of you guys are taking off vacations this week, but looking forward to coming back strong, finishing the week tomorrow. So take care, everybody. God bless you all, and see you guys tomorrow morning.